Hey guys, Mr. Saifu here. Today we're going to talk about a game called Combat Master. Feels like Call of Duty. It's fast paced, and the best part about it is controller supported. So after you get a kill, your weapon upgrades. Simple, just like Call of Duty. One of the biggest problems I see is the map is too small, so you're respawning quick, right on top of each other. The aim on it feels kind of funny. It's really fast, sensitivity is very high. You might have to adjust that. Like I said, the map's too small. See, I just died. I just spawned right on top of each other. Well, guys, I think I would get bored of this game pretty fast. I don't think it would, unless they fix the respawning and the graphics. I think I would get bored with it. I give it 2 out of 5 stars, in my opinion. So, guys, what do you guys think? Would you guys play this? Let me know. Let me know if you guys want to see more content like this. We'll start doing some reviews on mobile games. Try to find games we can play together. I normally play Zuba, but the game has been fucking up lately. You guys let me know what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you like this. Comment.